Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play old versions of Clash Royale. It's important to understand that Supercell, the game's developer, does not officially support playing outdated versions. The only practical way to experience older game states is through community-run private servers. These servers are created by dedicated fans who aim to replicate past game environments, offering a nostalgic experience for many players. However, always proceed with caution, as these are unofficial platforms. To find a suitable private server, you'll need to do some online research. Use search terms like Clash Royale Old Version Private Server to discover various options. Focus on communities and forums where players discuss and recommend these servers. Always check for user reviews and feedback to gauge a server's reliability and how accurately it mimics older game versions. A good server will typically have an active community and clear instructions for installation. Once you've chosen a private server, the next step is installation. You'll typically download a custom APK file from the server's website. Before installing, remember to enable Install from unknown sources in your device's security settings. This allows your phone to install applications not from official app stores. Install the downloaded APK, and it will function as a separate application. Crucially, do not uninstall your official Clash Royale game. The private server operates independently. It's vital to remember that private servers are entirely unofficial and not endorsed by Supercell. This means they come with inherent risks, including potential security vulnerabilities or privacy concerns. Any progress you make on a private server is isolated and cannot be transferred to your official Clash Royale account. Always be cautious of servers that ask for excessive device permissions or sensitive personal information. Enjoy the nostalgia, but prioritize your device's security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.